ዛሬ የእንግሊሽ ግራመር እውቀታችሁ ይፈተናል። ማርክ ስንት ታገኛችሁ ትነግሩኛላችሁ። እንጀምር። I eat የሚለው አረፍተ ነገር simple present tense ይባላል። simple present tense። ይህንን ወደ present continuous ቀይሩት። I'm eating. I'm eating.
No, I'm eating. Get out.
ወደ present perfect ቀይሩት። I have eaten. I've eaten.
I've been drunk for 2 weeks.
ወደ present perfect continuous. I have been eating. I've been eating.
I've been eating Cinnabon for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
ወደ simple past. I ate. I ate.
I ate dinner at her house.
I ate a block of cheese for dinner.
ወደ past continuous. I was eating. I was eating.
I was eating dinner.
ወደ past perfect. I had eaten. I'd eaten.
She had eaten sticky sweet dumpling.
ወደ past perfect continuous. I had been eating. I'd been eating.
I've been eating during the night and
ወደ simple future. I will eat. I'll eat.
I will drink a chocolate milk.
ወደ future continuous. I will be eating. I'll be eating.
I will. I will be eating with my hands.
ወደ future perfect. I will have eaten. I'll have eaten. I'll have eaten.
Will have eaten her last kebab.
ወደ future perfect continuous. I will have been eating. I'll have been eating.
You know, on November 16th, I'll have been doing this for 6,000 years and you'll...
እነዚህ እንግሊዘኛ ቴንስ ላይ ያሉ ዋና ዋና እውቀቶች ናቸው። እነዚህን ካወቃችሁ ማንኛውንም ሐሳብ መግለጽ ትችላላችሁ። ኮሜንት ላይ ገብታችሁ ስንት እንዳገኛችሁ ንገሩኝ። በሚቀጥለው እስክንገናኝ see you in the next swipe.